Brain detoxification for happy, healthy life. Detoxifying the brain is essential for maintaining cognitive function, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being. Daily brain detoxification. 1. Exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, or yoga, to improve blood flow and boost cognitive function. 2. Sleep. Get adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours, to allow your brain to clear toxins and consolidate memories. 3. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support brain function. 4. Nutrition. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega-3 fatty acids to support brain health. 5. Digital detox. Take a break from electronic devices for a few hours or a day to reduce exposure to blue light and promote relaxation. 6. Nature therapy. Spend time in nature, such as walking in a park or forest, to reduce stress and promote cognitive function. 7. Brain-boosting activities. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, brain teasers, or learning a new skill. 8. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques, such as progressive muscle relaxation or visualization, to reduce stress and promote relaxation. 9. Social connection. Connect with friends and family, or engage in social activities to support mental health and well-being. The brain's detoxification process is supported by the glymphatic system, which is more active during sleep. Exercise, meditation, and relaxation techniques can also support brain health by reducing inflammation, promoting blood flow, and enhancing cognitive function. Additional tips. 1. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact brain health. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as yoga or meditation. 2. Limit toxins. Limit exposure to environmental toxins such as heavy metals, pesticides, and pollutants. 3. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities to support cognitive function and build cognitive reserve. Astrological point of view. According to astrology, various planets are associated with different aspects of brain health and detoxification. 1. Mercury, associated with cognitive function, communication, and mental clarity. 2. Moon, influences emotional balance, intuition, and mental well-being. 3. Sun, represents overall vitality, energy, and mental health. Certain gemstones and crystals are believed to support brain health and detoxification. 1. Clear quartz, enhances mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function. 2. Amethyst, promotes calmness, relaxation, and stress relief. 3. Sapphire, supports mental clarity, focus, and overall brain health. Spiritual practices and mantras can support brain health and detoxification. 1. Meditation. Regular meditation practice can reduce stress and promote mental clarity. 2. Mantras. Reciting specific mantras, such as Om or Om Namah Shivaya, can calm the mind and promote relaxation. 3. Yoga. Practicing yoga can reduce stress, improve cognitive function, and promote overall well-being. Additional remedies. 1. Herbal supplements. Certain herbs, such as Ginkgo biloba or Bacopa monnieri, may support cognitive function and brain health. 2. Aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender or peppermint may promote relaxation and reduce stress. 3. Nature therapy. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and promote overall well-being. By incorporating these remedies into your daily routine, you may be able to support your brain health and promote overall well-being.